Hello children, I hope you all are happy and healthy. Let's start the first chapter of science, that is nutrition in plants. What is meant by nutrition and why do we need nutrition? Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. That means the way we take our food and use this food to do different functions of our body is known as nutrition. In 6th class, you have learned about different type of nutrients. You have an idea about carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are components of food and known as nutrients also. These nutrients are very necessary for our body. Do you know why nutrients are necessary for our body? Because all living organisms require food. This food provides nutrients to us, and with the help of that nutrients, our body perform all the functions like growth, etc. We all need foods. We all need food. But do you know? Plants can synthesize their food themselves. But animals can't do that. They get their food from plants. Thus, humans and other animals are directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. As I have told you that nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. On the basis of nutrition, all the living organisms can be classified into two categories. Number 1, autotrophs, and number 2 is heterotrophs. Now let's learn about autotrophs and heterotrophs. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. I repeat the definition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. What is meant by auto? Auto means self. Trophos means nourishment. It means that the organisms which can prepare their food their own are known as autotrophs, and this type of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Can you give the example of autotrophs? Yes, plants can prepare their food with simple substances. Therefore, plants are called autotrophs. And the mode of nutrition in plants is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Other animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophs. Heteros means other. So, it is clear to us that plants can prepare their food with the help of simple substances by themselves. Therefore, they are known as autotrophs. Other animals take in food prepared by plants, so we call them heterotrophs. Now you must be thinking that we all are having the carbon dioxide around us, water and minerals. We can use carbon dioxide, water and mineral, but why our body cannot make food? Have you ever had a thought over it? Let's try to find out the answer of this question, that why only plants can prepare their food themselves. Yes, because the food factories of plants are located inside the plant only. Now, which part of plant is the food factory of plants? Do you have an idea about different parts of plants? Can you give some example? Roots, stem, leaf and flower are main parts of a plant. Now can you tell me which part of plant is the food factory of a plant? The second question raised in our mind is that how do plants obtain the raw materials? What is meant by raw material? Just like to prepare our food, we need some components. Take an example of rice. To prepare boiled rice, we need raw rice and some water. Then we will boil that rice and we will be able to obtain the boiled rice. Just like that, plants also need some raw materials to prepare their food. The question is that how do plants obtain the raw materials from the surroundings? How do they transport them to the food factories of plants? From where you get the raw rice? Do you need to transport that? Yes, just like that, plants also need to transport raw materials to the food factories. In the next topic, we will try to find out the answer of all these questions. In next session, we will find out the answer of all these questions. Thank you.